Good evening, teacher and classmates. My name is Jessica Gonzalez. In this video, I'm going to talk about the topic of Unit 5. The topic is the sounds of our lives. In this video, I have chosen one of my favorite songs. Its name is Photograph. The artistic who performs this song is Ed Sheeran. He composed it with his work team, Mr. Martin Harrington and Johnny McDay. I love this song because it transmits a lot of feeling. I listen to it when I'm sad and also when I'm happy because it makes me feel excited when I listen to the lyrics, the message that the song gives, also because I love who the artistic interpreted the song and sing it. In this song, the main figure is Ed Sheeran. When the song came out, they released it with a video on YouTube. In this one, the song and played the guitar on a stage in front of a small group of people. In this video, he transmitted the song by the tone of his voice and playing the guitar, the love, the feeling, and the value that we should give to the moments we spend with the people we love. Also, the rhythm of the song is very soft and allows connecting with the message. And the song is about keeping the important moments that happen to us a photograph. It talks about love and how beautiful it's to spend time with the person you love. I listen to it at home, at work. I listen to it when I'm sad or happy also. When I'm doing homework, or working, I'm listening to it because it relaxed me and challenged my mood. Thank you, teacher, for your attention. This is my presentation.